Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of happiness. So today I'll be telling you about the quote which is as follows. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Once again, I repeat the quote. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. So, my dear friends, every individual person on this planet Earth is important. We all come from different backgrounds, have different culture, have different cuisine, have different languages, but on this platform, we all are one. Together we stand and are very strongly bonded to each other. We, as human beings, are the greatest creation on this planet Earth. We all have immense potential within ourselves. We can achieve anything in life. We just have to believe in ourselves. Most of the time is wasted just thinking what the mistakes we did in past or what will the future hold for us. We always keep on thinking what will be the future. But this is not correct. We should just focus on the present moment and work for it when things will work according to the way you have planned for yourself. What mistakes we did earlier, and due to it, we were not able to achieve what we wanted for ourselves. That was the past. We don't have to bother much about it because it can't be changed. But from it, you can learn a lot from the mistakes that you did in the past, and that experience will help you to grow and develop in a much efficient way as an individual person. And on the other side, we should not bother about what will happen in the future. So, past and future are just tiny matters. You don't have to focus on it. What you will do in the present moment will ultimately change your life. It will improve your future as well. If you work hard and work for your goals, which you want to accomplish, and live in the present moment, then it will definitely create wonders in your life. So be in the present moment and work with full confidence and vigor, and with your willpower, you can achieve anything in life which you desire to pursue. It could be in the field of academics, music, dance, artwork. It could be anything which you really want for yourself and excel in that particular work. So each one of you present on this planet Earth have immense potential within ourselves. You just have to realize your inner capabilities and work upon it. And with your willpower and wisdom, you will be successful in that particular field, which will create wonders in your life, and it will bring miracles in your life. And then you will become the most happiest and satisfied person present on this planet Earth, and which will make people in your surrounding happy too. And then there will be world unity, world peace, and development of humanity. And then there will be happiness all around and in everyone's lives. Thank you.